So guys, there has been a lot of buzz around the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6 with the numerous leaks revealing almost everything we can expect from these foldable lineup. However, one of the aspects that haven't received as much attention is the IP48 rating that has been leaked for both the devices. This rating, which indicates the level of protection against the dust and the water, could have a significant impact on the popularity of these foldable despite not being as prominently featured in another upgrade, such as Galaxy AI enhancement. For those who are unfamiliar with the IP rating, they are used to demonstrate how well a device like a smartphone is safeguarded against the dust and water. The current standard for the flagship smartphone is IP68, which means the device is completely dust tight and can withstand being submerged into the water at least 10 feet deep. In comparison, the leaked IP48 rating for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Flip 6 suggests that these devices are protected against the particles over 1 millimeter in size, making a significant improvement over the previous Samsung foldables and potentially setting a new standard for dust proofing in foldable phones. Foldable phones are already out of reach for many potential users due to their cost, size, or other practicalities. Plus, we are still not certain how well these devices' flexible screen will age. Given the first commercially available foldables are only turning 5 this year, but the durability and protection are against a threat to these. So this is the huge reason why people stick with the familiar candy bar form factor when they upgrade. Along with the anticipated design change, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is likely to come with a typical upgrade seen in a new device, such as an improved processor. The continuation of S Pen support, a feature present in the Galaxy Z Fold 5, is also expected in the upcoming model. Reports suggest that Samsung might introduce a new variant, possibly an Ultra variant or more affordable entry-level Z Fold, adding an element of a surprise to the launch. Despite being pioneer in the foldable phone market, Samsung faced a setback in year-on-year growth compared to the Huawei in the first quarter of 2024. Samsung's forthcoming foldable devices is expected to be powered by the most recent iteration of the company's software, One UI 6.1, and is likely to incorporate Galaxy AI, a collection of innovative ad-driven software functionalities that Samsung unveiled earlier this year. These functionalities encompass real-time phone call translation, object manipulation or removal in images, and compatibility with the Google Circle to Search feature. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its impressive display compatibility, with the ability to reach the 2600 nits of peak brightness when Vision Booster and high brightness modes are activated on both the cover and the primary screen. In terms of the design, Samsung has opted for the aluminum for hardware instead of the titanium, and the outer display now features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 instead of the armor, showcasing a shift in the material for this year iteration. Samsung also introduced a new feature for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that allow it to be used as an interpreter through real-time translation on-screen display. While the other shows the translated text, user will need to log into their Samsung account and download additional language pack if needed. Another new feature is Samsung Note Assist, which utilizes AI to transcribe or summarize voice recordings. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is also 14 grams lighter than its predecessor, weight in 239 grams. This is a significant reduction from the Z Fold 5, which has a weight of 263 grams. The phone also features a larger 6.3-inch covered display compared to the last gen model 6.2-inch in display, although this comes at an expense of a battery capacity which remains at 4400 mAh. After the Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10, according to Noel Cotton, the company will offer a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds during the pre-order period. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro have also appeared online ahead of the schedule, indicating that Samsung is prepared to give away earbuds that will retail roughly around 300 euros in the Eurozone. Recent leaks suggest that the new foldables devices will feature flatter and more angular edges resembling the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As reported by Sam Mobile, this change in the design could potentially bring a more cohesive look to Samsung premium smartphone lineup. Despite these anticipated upgrades, it seems that the visible crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will not completely disappear, and according to Ice Universe, who has a track record of accurate leaks, testers have revealed that the crease will still be present but minimized. This compromise suggests that while the devices may not be crease-free, the reduction in the visibility could lead to a more seamless folding experience for the user. Moving on, Samsung has no significant camera improvement in the store for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 model this year. According to Ice Universe and Galaxy Club, the camera setup on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is anticipated to mirror that of its predecessor Galaxy Z Fold 5, featuring a 50 megapixel main camera sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 10 megapixel telephoto shooter, a 10 megapixel front facing camera, and a 4 megapixel under display camera. On paper, we may have the same camera sensor, but in reality, there could be an enhancement in the software which could boost the camera performance of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. A crucial question looming over the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is whether Samsung will commit to providing 7th generation of OS upgrade or 7-year of security update or not. It's a policy for the Galaxy S24 series. Given the premium pricing tag associated with the Galaxy Z Fold, consumers are eagerly anticipated a positive response from Samsung regarding this matter. The current starting price of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is $1,800, making it one of the most expensive phones on the market. So, a more affordable option could make the phone and tablet hybrid more appealing to potential buyers. On the other hand, there are also rumors that Samsung is considering an even more expensive model, potentially called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which may only be available in South Korea. This suggests that Samsung is exploring different pricing strategy for its next foldable devices. It remains to be seen what Samsung has planned for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but if the rumors are accurate, it seems that the upcoming devices could see a more significant upgrade compared to the last year Galaxy Z Fold 5. And you guys, these are some of the leak that has been arrived. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.